Fine, let us start solving this 2018 problems. Right, so this is problem number 1. Fine. So here we are supposed to find the greatest 8 digits number with the given digits. See how many digits they have given here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we are supposed to find the greatest 8 digit number. How we are going to do that? So we are supposed to start from the bigger number. So bigger number in this case, see, let us check this. They have given 5, 8, 7, 5, 2, 0, 6 and as well as 1. Now I need to find the greatest number. So start with the bigger number. So first digit will be 8, right? So then the next one is 7, correct? This one, next one is 7. The third one is 6, right? Then there are 2 5s are there. You can place 5 and as well as 5 here. So all these stuffs are finished. Now the remaining numbers is 2, 0, 1. That is 2, 0, 1. So now what you need to do is 2 and 1, 0. This is the greatest 8 digit number which can be formed by the given digits. So the answer is 876555210. This is the answer.